Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power negative x is equal to 12, or we can write here 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power negative x can be written as 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to 12, or here let 2 to the power x is equal to y, so we will get y plus 1 over y is equal to 12, or here LCM is y, so we will get y times y is y square plus 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 12, or y square plus 1 is equal to 12 times y is 12y, or y square. Now taking this 12y to left side, we will get negative 12y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a nice quadratic equation, so we can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a, or y is equal to minus b. Here b is equal to minus 12, so we can write here minus times minus 12 plus or minus square root of b square, that means minus 12 square minus 4 times a, here a is equal to 1 times c, here c is equal to 1 over 2 times 1, or y is equal to minus times minus is plus 12 plus or minus square root of, we know that 12 minus 12 square is 144, minus 4 times 1 is 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, or y is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 140 over 2, or y is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 140 can be written as 4 times 35 over 2, or y is equal to 12 plus or minus, here we can write a square root of 4 times square root of 35 over 2, or y is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 4 is equal to 2 times square root of 35 over 2. So there are two values of y, so we can write here y is equal to 6 plus square root of 35, and y is equal to 6 minus square root of 35, or but remember let y is equal to 2 to the power x, so we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 6 plus square root of 35, or 2 to the power x is equal to 6 minus square root of 35, or taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 6 plus square root of 35, or log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 6 minus square root of 35, or we know this x move here, so we will get x is equal x times log of 2 is equal to log of 6 plus square root of 35. Similarly here we will get x times log of 2 is equal to log of 6 minus square root of 35. Now divided both sides by log of 2, we will get x is equal to log of 6 plus square root of 35 over log of 2. Similarly here we will get x is equal to log of 6 minus square root of 35 over log of 2. Now finally we will get x is equal to log of 6 plus square root of 35 base 2, and here we will get x is equal to log of 6 minus square root of 35 base 2, and these two values of x. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.